keyboard. So many of you people know a keyboard and you will use the keyboard. When you're using a computer, the keyboard is one of the most important tool when you're using a computer. So guys, keyboard is such a important, and in this video we are gonna to know about keyboard. We are gonna to know full tutorial about a keyboard. Okay, so in this video, how many types of keyboard there are available and what is the uses of keyboard, all about keyboard we will know in this video. So without doing a time waste, let's start this video. So guys, subscribe to my channel. If you will subscribe to my channel, I will bring for you informative videos. Okay, so guys, keyboard. In this video our lesson is a keyboard. Okay, so first we will know how much in which type the keyboards are available. How much types of keyboard is available? There are two types of keyboard available: wired keyboard and wireless keyboard. Okay, the video can go long, but so many things you can learn in this video. Maybe some functions you know about your keyboard, but any new you can learn in this video. So there are two types of keyboard: wireless keyboard and wired keyboard. Okay, so first let me show you wired keyboard. Okay, so over here this is our wired keyboard. Okay, see, this is our keyboard. You can see this is a wired keyboard. From the wire only we can use this keyboard. Okay guys, so now let me show you a wireless keyboard. So guys, this is a wireless keyboard. This is a wireless keyboard. You can see in this keyboard there is no wire, nothing. This is a wireless keyboard. Okay, and guys, you can see the back of this keyboard. And to use a wired keyboard, no need for the batteries, but to use a wireless keyboard you need to insert a batteries over here. Let me show you. Okay, to use a wireless keyboard you need to insert two batteries over here, then only the wireless keyboard will work. But to use a wired keyboard, the wire is available, that's why we no need for the wireless batteries. Okay, so over here let's attach this. Okay, so guys, you can see this is a keyboard, and you can see this caps lock where I am showing my finger. This is a caps lock. Now caps lock means, what is the meaning of caps lock? Okay, the meaning of caps lock is capital letters. If you have to write a capital letters, so that caps lock can help you. Okay, you will click caps lock and you can write a capital letters. If you have to write a small letters, again you will click caps lock and you can write a small letters. You can type a small letters. Okay, so here you can see this is a keyboard, and there are so many keyboards brand like EQ. This is our EQ brand, and Dell and more. Okay, so this is our EQ keyboard. Caps lock means, we learn caps lock means capital letters. Okay, so now what is this where I am showing this finger? Now what is this spacing? If you have to give a space, so you have to click here. For example, you will write Arman, again you have to give a space, but how you will give? You will give here space and you can write again, resume your typing. Okay, so this is a space bar. Okay, Now if you do any mistake in the typing, now how you can solve that mistake? Normally in the mobile we will use a backspace. In the keyboard also the backspace is available. So here you can see backspace. Wait a minute. Backspace you can see here. This backspace, right? This backspace. If you do any mistake in your typing, so from the backspace you can retype. Okay, you can solve your typing mistake. So this is a backspace. Okay, this is a backspace. If you do any mistake in your typing, you can solve that mistake from the help of backspace. Okay, so now what is this enter? This enter means if you type anything in the Google in your laptop, so you have to enter that. So you can type listening space computers or other and you can enter. So whatever in which topic you type, that to related that topic information will shown in your laptop screen or computer screen or Mac screen. So this is a enter. Now what is this? You can see this. What is a this? What is a this row? The role of these keys are up, down, side, right, left. Okay. So if you didn't have a mouse, so what you will do? If you didn't have a mouse, sure this keyboard and another keyboard can help you. Because see here, if you didn't have a mouse, you can scroll like this. If you have to scroll up, you can scroll like this. If you have to scroll down, you can scroll like this. Okay. And if you have any game like Need for Speed, or if you have a game like car game, bike game, like that, if you have a game, so you can play with these keys. Okay, these keys are useful if you didn't have a mouse, but if you have a mouse, you can scroll with your mouse all need. Okay. So we finished this row about keyboard. Now what is this? These are the numbers. If you have to type any number like 1, you can type 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, enter. Okay, in the keyboard you will get 2 enter keys. Okay, this enter key and this enter key. Okay, so this is a shift, and the shortcut keys are, if you have to open your Windows, you can click here. Okay, so guys, this is about a keyboard, and more information in this video we are going to know. So you will keep keyboard like this, right, like this, but if you need a one stand, you have to buy another stand. But in this video we are going to know about only a smart work. The back of your keyboard, if you will observe, you will get a stand. You will get a 2 stands in wired keyboard also and wireless keyboard also. You will get a 2 stand. See, this is our stand, and you can keep easily. Okay, so now if you have to if you in your computer there is no charging enough, if your charging is finished in your computer, so what you will do? So if you will open your computer but there is no charging, so computer will close. But if you will click F1, the computer will open. Okay, so this is a scroll lock you will get, and more about keyboard, home, insert, delete. If you have to delete something, you can click here, delete. Now if you have to click if you want, okay, this is about a keyboard, you can see. So if you have to click at, you can see this at in number 2 at. If you have to click at, the number 2 will click. But if you need to add, you can see shift, this shift at, shift at. In this case, if you have to click this, the numbers will click. But if you will click shift at, the at and more other will click this one. Okay, so this is in this row there are special keys. Okay, these are special keys, and this is, you can see one escape. If you're working, if you need a full screen, you're using a YouTube, if you need a full screen, you will use a full screen. But if you need a small screen, you will click escape, small screen will come. So this is about a keyboard. CTRL, these are all about a keyboard. You can see, and this keyboard is made in China. So guys, this is my video. If you like my video related to keyboard, please subscribe to my video and hit the bell icon to see informative videos. Okay, and thank you and goodbye. See you in next video.